sorry.
Hold it, boy! It's not the end of the world!
Yes, it is.
This is not a test. Again, this is not a test. The Department of Homeland Security has announced as of 6:54 p.m. Eastern Time that intercontinental ballistic missiles containing nuclear payloads originating from the Russian Federation have been detected and will impact New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, and Houston within 15 minutes. Please seek shelter immediately. Avoid sheltering in rooms with wind